It was the first law in the country passed to protect confidential informants being used by police. But, as Matt Galka tells us, the family of the murdered girl the law was named for is back this year trying to strengthen it. He's got the story.
Rachel Hoffman was only 23 and had recently graduated from Florida State when she was murdered while working as a confidential informant for the Tallahassee Police Department. She was doing the work in exchange for leniency on a marijuana and prescription pill charge. Hoffman was killed while attempting to buy drugs and a gun from two men in 2008. She had virtually no training and hadn't been able to consult with anyone before agreeing.
Rachel was not suitable to be a confidential informant. She broke almost all the guidelines of being a confidential informant.
Her father, Irv, and their attorney, Lance Block, are back at the Capitol trying to strengthen Rachel's law. Put into effect in 2009, the family says the bill didn't go far enough. Rachel was in a court-ordered program which prohibited her from being around drugs, even though she was sent out to buy them.
Sending them out there to do police work is wrong. You wouldn't send an alcoholic into a bar for help, so why would you send a person with an addiction problem to buy drugs?
The proposed revisions to the law, including putting in more safeguards for confidential informants, as well as prohibiting minors from taking part, any law enforcement violating the provisions could be faced with a felony.
Most importantly, we don't know how many people are being killed or hurt in being involved in these types of transactions.
FDLE would be required to put out an annual report if the changes to the law pass. In Tallahassee, Matt Galka, WCTV Eyewitness News.
Informants would no longer be able to go undercover to buy drugs if they're involved in a drug treatment program. They would also be allowed to speak with a lawyer before agreeing to do police work.